Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you guys some new products that we'll be releasing on the Erin Condren website this month. So if you're interested in seeing what's all in this box, then stay tuned. Okay, so first up is this accordion zipper pouch on the go organization starts here. That's not a part of it. It's clearly called the accordion zipper pouch, but I just went ahead and read all of it. So it has like these little handles and then you just do that and you have an accordion zipper pouch. I don't know how I feel about this. The colors are to die. I do love colorful stuff. And I love gold stuff as well, so I'm down for the gold accents and whatnot. But I'm trying to figure out, like, you know, just kind of like how this, you know, like let's say I filled all of this up with washi or like pins and stuff, like how weird it might be, how fat it could potentially, you know, like let's say I filled it all up, like filled up all of the little zippers. I guess it would be like that wide, so I guess it wouldn't be too weird, but yeah, I don't know. But anyway, we have an accordion zippered pouch, and then we also got an Erin Condren desk accessories set. And so we have some rubber bands, some paper clips, some push pins, more push pins, just a different style, some binder clips, and then some large paper clips. And we have like the teal, the turquoise, and the pink. And then this has rose gold accents. So 8 binder clips, 80 ball push pins, 40 basic push pins, 30 rubber bands, 80 small paper clips, 27 large paper clips. So this is another thing that we have. Of course I love this. I mean, you can't really go wrong with any of these items. So this does get a thumbs up for me, definitely. And then we have an Erin Condren folio, an on-the-go folio, and this one is actually like a mustard or a yellow. And yeah, it looks pretty much just like all the rest. I think that I was gonna say they may have tightened up the strings, but I don't think that they did. So, but anyway, we do get a new color. I forgot what all colors we have now. I think we have like a slate, like a turquoise or a blue. We have yellow, we have gold or champagne. We have a number of colors, but this is one of the new ones. And then we have a ruler, and it's gold, kind of like an antique gold sort of. And it's a metal ruler is what we're calling this. So we have a metal ruler, and it is 5 inches 15 centimeters. No, it's 6 inches. Well, it just goes to 5, but obviously we all know that that is the 6th inch. So it's 6 inches and 15 centimeters, if I know my dimensions correctly, which I probably don't. But we do have a ruler, so love that. And I really do like this because I normally use the little plastic thing as a ruler. This, which is kind of annoying because I always have to like go get it out, whereas this, I can just kind of sit over here. I'm from the country, so I don't really know. We kind of say set instead of sit. Set? I don't know. I can put it over there and I can just easily assess it. Next up, we have, I thought there was another little cool gadget in here before we got, no, there's not another cool gadget in here. Okay, let's get rid of that box. Okay, next up we have some planner folios. So we have some of the new folios. This one is 2020 April to June. This one is July to September. Oh, that's a budget book, so we'll flip through that momentarily. That's October to December, and this is January through March. So let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. Ooh, cool! This one's a newer one. I mean, like, duh, but it's cool. So it kind of still looks like the older one. Obviously it changed a little bit because it has the like new situation that Erin Condren has going on in the 2019-2020 planners, the little thing at the top. And then the these pretty much look the same, except we do have a little calendar down here, and I don't remember that being there before. And then we have the hexagon there, which, you know, that is debatable about whether or not that will be functional. I think you can make it functional. Maybe put like your like most important thing that you want to get done for the day or something. But that is what that looks like, and then this is what the weekend looks like. So we do have the little hexagons. Well, that's not a hexagon technically. I mean, it kind of looks like one. What do you call that? No, you don't call it anything. That's a hexagon. I don't know what that is. I guess it would technically be a hexagon. Anyway, we do have the little hexagons on the weekends, and then, you know, the color scheme stays the same, so we don't really have to worry about that too much. But we do have a little sticker sheet back here, and it has like some purple. That's purple. Those are all purple. It has purple foil, so that's pretty interesting. Can you see the purple foil? Anyway, that's a thing. Let's go ahead and flip through this one. And we have purple, of course, that orange looking color, and then the turquoise teal looking color, and then this has like a magenta foil. I mean, I'm not like the best at, I don't know my foils all like that, but I'm assuming this is like a magenta foil, so that's cool. And then the next one is July through September. We have blue, we have yellow, and then we have purple, of course, because September is always purple. And then we have gold accents here. Okay, and then for the last one, we have orange, of course, for October, blue for November, of course, and green for December. And then we have like a teal foil. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen any foils outside of silver, gold, and rose gold. So to see these colorful foil colors is pretty cool. And then last but not least, we have the budget book, which I'll probably give this away, or my old one at this point, because this probably is not, this probably isn't dated. Okay, success starts with the plan. This looks a little different. So we have savings tracker, month at a glance, and then the spaces are all still pre-filled, which I don't really care for that. But if you had like all of these categories within your budget, obviously this would make a whole lot of sense. But I mean, I could probably, when we move into our house, so in January, I'll have mortgage. I mean, I have rent now. I'll have insurance, maintenance. I mean, not too sure if that's going to be like a monthly thing, but whatever. Electric, TV, internet, streaming service, water, sewer, gas, phone, car payments, insurance. See, I mean, this isn't the worst thing. We don't have car payments. We pay our insurance every 6 months. We do have gas. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. I just always wish that they were not pre-filled. We don't pay any. Well, we do pay life insurance, so that could be there, yes. Copay, that won't be every month, but it will be. General, these aren't terrible. Coffee, that could go. Gym, pets, no childcare, no sports or lessons. This isn't, you know, awful, but I just really wish that they were all not pre-filled, although it does make it look nice when it is pre-filled. But when you have to add in other categories, I don't know, I'm just kind of picky like that, and I don't like scratching out things and all of that. I wish I could just write in all of my stuff. But personal debt, student loan debt, total income, total expenses, difference, total savings, and then we have spending summaries, or technically one that's 4 pages, and then it repeats itself. Same color scheme. This is obviously January. You know, you can make it whatever you want, but it's going with the regular like January color scheme, and then February, and then I do like that we have a decent amount of spending summaries. And then this is like a perfect beginner budget book, honestly. These little small budget books like these, you know, if you don't want to be all extra. And then we have debt trackers in the back. So this is really clean, I will say. I'm not going to whip out the old one and compare it to that, because that would be really extra. But that's what we have. And then we have like a champagne gold. I mean, it's not, maybe it's just regular gold. It's definitely not like yellow gold, but we do have gold foil stickers, which, and looking at this, I don't think really anything has changed from last time. So this pretty much still looks the same. So super cute. I really love this. So if you're new around these parts, then you should know that the purpose of these little on-the-go folios is to house or to hold all of the little folios or the petite planners. And so this has 4 strings, which you can actually like add more strings if you wanted to, but if you just put the petite planners through the strings, then it kind of just binds them together and you can kind of switch them out as you please. And there are a bunch of petite planners on the Erin Condren website, so you can buy different ones. Like they have like a travel one and one about, I think like for babies, if you're having a baby, like a little baby petite planner and like stuff like that. So you can kind of just buy the ones that you want. These just happen to be the new ones that are about to hit the market, but she already has a couple of budget books that have previously released, and some of these other planners, some of these other petite planners, these daily planners. There's a monthly planner. So there are plenty of them that you can purchase and put in here if you like this style of planning. But it's kind of cool because you can kind of buy, you know, I guess you can like add whatever kind of planners in here that you want instead of having just one planner that's bound together by a spiral. So this does resemble the traveler's notebook situation if you are familiar with that. But anyway, so this is pretty much how you would use this if you were interested in it, and that's kind of the purpose of these. Now these little petite planners came out before these covers actually came out for them, but you know, at this point that's pretty much how you would make it work. So this is one that I didn't actually get to fit in there because there are only 4 strings, but here is everything that came today. And I don't know if I got everything or what else is going to be releasing, but these are just the things that I got and that I was able to share with you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.